Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another PC build video. This will be i5-12400 build and the total cost is around 70,000 rupees. Yes, this is kind of a future upgradable PC as we're not going with any graphic card right now, and in future graphic card would be added, maybe 3060, 3060 Ti, 3070 Ti. So according to that we have upgraded the power supply and other stuff. So let's just go ahead and begin with the product, what all product we're gonna use in this build, and then we'll start the build. For the processor we have got Intel i5-12400. This is the non-F version and it is suitable if you're planning to build without a graphic card. For the motherboard we have got MSI Pro V660MA Wi-Fi DDR4. This is a wonderful motherboard and you can definitely consider for i5 builds. For the RAM we are going with XPG D50. This is DDR4 3200 MHz 8x2. It comes in two color, white and grey. We are going with the grey option here, and this is a fabulous RAM because the heat sinks are really well. For the SSD we are going with XPG S5. This is 512 GB SSD, and we are also adding some additional storage which is WD 1 TB. This is 7200 RPM hard drive. For the cooler we are going with Deepcool AK400. I strongly recommend anyone who is building the 12th generation i5 to go with this cooler and not to use the stock cooler. If you go ahead and select liquid cooler, that is also fine, but at least have minimum this cooler because the temps will go 80 plus 90 plus if you use the stock cooler. For the power supply we are going with Deepcool. This is Gold Series PM750D. This is non-modular power supply as it will save our budget, and 5600 is the price. For the case we are going with a Deepcool Matrix 40. This comes with 4 pre-installed fans. The build quality is superb and everything is top notch in this cabinet. The price is just 3600 rupees. The only problem is the fans are non-controllable. Rest at 3600, this is a bang for your bucks. For the mouse we have got Galaxy Slider 04. This is a really nice mouse for 600 rupees. I have been using this mouse and I'm happy with it, so I do recommend this mouse for 600 rupees. If you have more budget, then there are various other options. For 600 rupees budget, this is a great one. For the keyboard we have got MK3400. This is a mechanical keyboard from NT Sports, available for around 1900 rupees. This is a good one. And in 70,000 budget we have also included a monitor which is 165Hz IPS panel, 24 inches, and this is from Gigabyte G24F.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out.
at the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.
Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
So finally the PC build is done and Windows 11 has been installed. Let me tell about Windows 11 in the 12th generation Intel. If you are planning to build for yourself, do consider Windows 11. That performs a bit better compared to Windows 10. Talking about the RAMs are really nice. If you talk about the D50 series RAM, this RAM has really nice heatsink, and at a price of Corsair Vengeance you get RGB and better heatsink than Corsair Vengeance. So definitely thumbs up for the RAM. And the cabinet which we have selected is micro ATX. It doesn't support ATX, although we will not be using ATX motherboard in this. Our motherboard is micro ATX, and this is a perfect fit. Also, the quality of this cabinet for 3600 rupees is really nice. You don't get any cabinet with such a nice build quality. The finishing is very nice, the buttons are very nice, and yes, 3600, but you compromise on one thing, which is the ARGB fans. These are non-controllable. Either you have to change the fan or spend 1000, 15, 200, 2000 rupees more and get a ARGB option. But I would say this is fine. If you want, you can spend more and change the fan or cabinet. Other than that, we have installed 750 watt power supply, which is capable of adding 3070 Ti in future. Even the size, the width of the case is very much, so you can definitely go ahead and put bigger cards like 3070 Ti Gaming Z Trio from MSI, which is very huge, and the length is more than the regular cards. So this is what we have for the cabinet and overall build. This is a fabulous PC for 70,000 rupees. Also, the Windows which we have installed a genuine case, cheapokeys.com. You may consider the website. There are a lot of websites where you can find genuine keys, but I can tell you about our website, cheapokeys.com, because that is the best as per my opinion. Windows 10 is available for 550 rupees, and for 900 rupees Windows 11 Pro is available. You can go ahead and check them out. I've shared the link in the description box below. All the product link are mentioned in the description box below. I have not mentioned the price of each component because the price goes up and down. So all the product link are mentioned in the description box below. Go ahead and do add to cart and try to find what is good for you and what is the total price for your PC. Also, one more add-on to this is a very right time to build a PC. If you are planning to build a PC, the SSD price, the RAM price, and these are yet year low, so definitely you can consider. Even the graphic card prices had really stable, the availability are there. I would recommend to go ahead and consider buying a PC if you have a plan. That's about the video. Thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe, as it really motivates me to make some more videos for you. Thank you for watching. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye, and subscribe.